Your BMW key fob isn't working after a battery change? Here's what's happening and how to address it. The core issue. BMW uses rolling code RF systems, and battery replacement can cause the fob to lose sync with the car's immobilizer. First, ensure you're using a CR2032 lithium battery and that it's installed correctly. Then, attempt a basic resync by inserting the key into the ignition, turning it to position 1, and removing it 3 to 5 times within 10 seconds. This often resets the rolling code. If this doesn't work, especially on newer models from 2018 onward, there may be an underlying issue that needs further troubleshooting with dealer-level tools like ISTA. If basic resync methods fail, advanced recoding using an OBD2 scanner or BMW-specific tools is required to reprogram the fob's ID. This process involves accessing the vehicle's Car Access System, or CAS module, to restore proper synchronization. A key trend is the move to digital keys via BMW Connected Drive, which eliminates battery-related issues entirely. BMW is integrating digital keys with Apple CarPlay and Google Wallet for seamless smartphone access. This aims for a 40% adoption of digital keys by 2030, reducing mechanical failures significantly. For older vehicles, consider annual battery checks to prevent future issues. Remember, DIY attempts without proper tools risk damaging your fob or vehicle, so consider consulting a professional if basic methods fail.